Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the self video function, meaning that you will be able to send a video automatically when joining a meeting on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Then click on audio video. Scroll down till you find the self video function in the camera section, meaning that it enables sending video automatically when joining a meeting. So in order to turn on this function, click on the button next to it. Here you can select whether you would like to make the video with your front or rear camera. So click on the relevant one and then it will be saved automatically. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.